In this video, we will show you how to replace your front inside fender liner on this Kia Forte Koup. This will be located inside of your front wheel well. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we need to do is safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground and the suspension's hanging. With the wheel out of the way, we have a clear view of our inside fender liner. We're going to start dislodging this along the front underneath the vehicle. Now under the front bumper cover, you're going to find that this is held in place with two plastic push clips. To dislodge these, you can use a trim tool or a small prying device. You want to carefully start removing the center to unlock it and remove the outer portion. Once it's out, a quick inspection and move along. At this point, we can start dislodging this from along the bottom of the bumper cover and make our way back in towards that wheel well. In the wheel well area here, we have a push clip. To remove this, once again, we're removing the center. Just want to try to dislodge that. Once that's out of place, pull out the outer portion as well. We'll make our way up from there. You're going to find another push clip. Now with all that dislodged, we can take hold of the fender liner from the front and we'll carefully start dislodging that from the bumper cover and the body of the vehicle. The front dislodged, as you make your way towards the backside here, we'll find a push clip right in the center. I like to save this one for last. Let's make our way continuing rearward. You're going to find several Phillips head screws. We'll remove this one. Continue down the fender. A couple more along the outside here. All of these screws look the same. You don't have to worry about mixing them up. Now, as you can tell, there is one more. This is a little bit more inboard. Remove this, a quick inspection, set it aside. With the mounting screws out of there, we'll be continuing on with a prying device. You can use a trim tool. We want to just get behind this area. Where those screws were, those were actually tabs that you're going to have to try to pry out of place without causing damage because we will be reusing them. Now to remove those, you want to reach along the backside. There's a couple little locking tabs. You can squeeze them in and slide them right out of place. It's fairly easy to do with just your fingers. We'll continue outward. Once again, squeezing the tab, bringing it right out. With all of that dislodged, we're left with our one push clip in the center here. To remove this push clip, you know exactly what to do. Go ahead and carefully remove the center to unlock it and remove the outer portion. Keep in mind, this is the last thing holding the fender liner in place. Go ahead and take hold of that fender liner and remove it from the vehicle. There it is, friend. Let's prepare for installation of our inside fender liner. We're going to take this and start getting it in position. Starting with that center mounting point, we have that push clip. For your push clips, you want to drive in the outer portion, lock it in with the center. With that held in place, let's make our way to the rest of the mounting hardware. What we'll do here is install our plastic locking clips. You just want to press those in. Once you have the clip in, continue on with your mounting screw. That should go right into that. Now it's time for our protective flap. Get this in position and we can put in our mounting screws for this. We'll start them all in before we snug any of them. Let's get this in position here. You want to pay attention along where it goes in and behind the bumper cover. Just press it right there. Let's get our mounting points aligned and install our 2 push clips on the inboard side here, just right inside the wheel well. Press in the outer portion, lock it in with the center. Down in this area, once again, we'll make sure that the cover goes underneath the bumper cover there. Continue on with your plastic push clips. Just press them in, lock them down with the center. Make your way back to the wheel well. Okay, friend, we finished the installation of our front fender liner. Once you've confirmed everything's secured properly, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.